Introducing the sleek and powerful 2018 Volkswagen Golf R 2.0 TSI with a whopping 310 horsepower. This beauty comes in a stylish grey exterior colour with a 2-litre engine and 800 kilometers on the clock. Packed with features like air conditioning, Android Auto, CarPlay and Bluetooth phone connectivity, this Golf R offers both comfort and convenience. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags and a collision avoidance system. Plus, the privacy glass, spoiler and tinted windows give it a sporty edge. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Call us or visit mullingarautos.ie today for more information.